the reception is one of satisfaction. You know, the food is balanced.
Our foods and our flavors, our preparation are unique.
There's two sisters and two olives.
We've been at it for a long time, so we learn how to work with each other.
This Wichita restaurant has chefs that used to call the Mediterranean area home, and they're bringing their unique take on taste to you.
So people are going to get a taste of the whole region.
Randa Toubia and her sister Joumana have been chefs for decades.
We're friendly until we have a difference in opinion.
And we do have that. We do have the difference of opinions all the time.
These friendly rivalries are partially the reason why the food at Two Olives is so good. These sisters push each other to make dishes that you just won't find anywhere else.
We complement each other beautifully at the end of the day.
In a lot of ways, yeah.
These two chefs hope that the food is only a portion of the experience at their restaurant. Part of the mood at Two Olives is of relaxation and enjoyment.
I hope that they remember the whole experience, that they got to slow down if they had mazes. It really is a time to slow down and savor your meal and not be hurried and rushed.
The food comes from centuries of family culture and can be shared on date nights, a family outing, or just a relaxing evening with friends.
I'm ready to go. Nice. Fresh basil.
The dish Randa is making is called the Cioppino Tapas.
I'm gonna throw all of this together.
With a collection of seafood, this meal is what they call a fusion dish.
This is kind of a combination of many things. We've been making Cioppino soup for, and every time we have it, people love it. It's a fusion dish. It's the combination of more than two dishes at the same time.
And talk about the perfect fusion. This dish delivers on everything from the beautiful presentation to the smell to the taste. Even the preparation is spectacular.
We're doing the dance of cooking, right? And we just toss it one more time, let that spinach melt.
Techniques that take years to perfect.
It's all in the wrist, huh?
Flipping, tossing, making all the dishes takes skill.
This is ready. This is picked up all the flavors, it cooked down, it looks perfect. It's not exactly soupy, but it's juicy. And that's our Cioppino Tapas.
These two sisters know their way around the kitchen.
But I'm competitive.
Oh,
I'm competitive.
You are.
I am competitive. Yeah. They
and
ask
I am
me,
not.
She's not competitive.
And they make food you can only find in Wichita, the heart of the country.